last writing topic of Initiation 1 is writing notes, making an appointment. Writing a note is categorized as informal writing, and it is simply written concisely. The writer does not need to write the date, the addressee, and address like in the formal letterhead. This is an example of writing a note with the situation: you came to your friend's flat, but she was not there. You wanted to meet her and you decided to arrange a meeting. Let's break down the note. Since this is a note, not the previous type of text, the parts are very different. A note should consist of greetings, body, closing, and signature. Again, because the type of writing is a note, the point is the content or body. The topic of a note is making an appointment. So, let's take a look on the body part. Need to see you very soon. Please meet me in my office at lunchtime today. Have something to discuss. Don't let me hang up. If you can make it, call me. Thanks. Here, the writer states the purpose of writing directly, that is, making an appointment, without including the introductory part or conclusion part. Just go to the point. That's it for all writing topic materials in Initiation 1. See you in discussion forum.